My name is Fernanda Andrade, and the purpose of this video is to introduce Asana and get you familiar with the different collaboration tools that you can use within the program. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and type app.asana.com, and you're going to have the login page. Type your email address and your password and log in. So as soon as you get to Asana's dashboard, this is how it's going to look like. So here on the left side, you have My Favorites, Reports, and Projects. And then on the right side, you have Help. And then you have this circle here with your initials on it. And here on the left side, on the top left side, you have My Tasks, Inbox, and Dashboard, followed by a plus sign. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the circle with your initials. Go to More. When you hover over your More, you go to Create New Space. Here, you're going to type the workspace name. So I'm going to name mine Onboard Training. And then I'm going to type the members of this workspace. So I'm going to type the email addresses followed by comma. And then hit Create Workspace. Okay, so this is what it should look like. See here I have the people, the members of my project. So in order to create a project, go to the left side and hit the plus sign where it says Create a Project. So here I have to type the project name. I'm going to name my project name Storyline Module. And you have the option of leave it as a list or as a board view. So I'm going to click board. I just think it's easier to work with a board view, makes things more organized. And then I'm going to hit Create Project. So as soon as I hit Create Project, I have my storyline module here, and it's within the onboard training workspace. So everything is very organized. In order to add tasks, I'm going to hit Add Columns. And my first task will be a welcome video. From leadership. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click the plus sign and add a description. CEOs create a video welcoming newly hires to the company. Okay, this is my description. Now, if you hover your mouse over this description, you can see that you can add members. So you can assign this task to people. So I'm going to assign this to myself. Just typed in my email. And then I can set a due date. So I want this video ready for March 28th. And you just can keep on going on adding tasks. So my new task will be Paycom instructions on rice. Then you can do the same thing. You can add a description, and then you can assign this task to people. Here, you can see the conversations you have with team members. Over here, you can see the calendar, the progress of your projects. And you have like color codes. This project is on track. The project is progressing, but there are some risks worth addressing. And this project is not on track and needs attention. And you can set this to remind me to update the status every Friday, which is pretty good for time management. And then you also have a space for files. So every time you add a task and you assign tasks to people, the person will automatically receive an email and they know what their task is and when it's due. So this was my video for you. I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoy using Asana as your project management tool. Have a good night.